Hello, welcome to The New Sound. Today we'll explore effect presets and how they relate to the music we make. Effect presets are pre-configured settings for audio effects. These can involve a number of different effects being used at once. Presets are usually designed by professionals and are a great starting point for achieving a specific sound. Presets save time. Instead of starting from scratch, you can use a preset as a foundation and tweak it to suit your track. Also, they're fantastic for learning. By analyzing presets, you can understand how different settings alter your sound. While presets are great, customization is key. Make sure to adjust the settings to fit the context of your music. Try not to rely solely on presets. Use them as a tool, not a crutch. Experiment with multiple presets, and always keep the final mix in mind when applying effects. Thanks for watching. Keep creating, and I'll see you in the next video.